1. 1971 Mercury Cougar convertible, 14th on $500, Glendale, California. The 1971 Mercury Cougar convertible is a bold, stylish car, perfect for anyone wanting the thrill of open-top driving with vintage appeal. This model features a clean orange paint job, a solid 8-cylinder engine, and automatic transmission, paired with rear-wheel drive for a smooth, classic cruising experience. With 80,000 miles on the odometer, this Cougar's condition is rated as good. The convertible top on this model adds a layer of excitement to the Mercury Cougar, which is known for its sleek design and powerful engine. Well-maintained examples like this are becoming harder to find, especially in this striking color. The 1974 Lotus Elite, 14,100 Arizona. This 1974 Lotus Elite is a standout with its sleek red finish and sporty coupe design. Known for its exceptional handling, this Elite retains a low odometer reading of 35,524 miles with an original 2.0-liter inline-4 engine paired to a 5-speed manual transmission. Features like pop-up headlights, dual exhaust outlets, and aftermarket air conditioning enhance its appeal, while the car's BBS wheels and upgraded tires provide a stylish and functional touch. Recently serviced with new transmission mounts and gear adjustments, this Lotus promises a thrilling yet reliable ride for any enthusiast. It's a rare, well-preserved piece of British automotive history. Three, 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 XL two-door hardtop, $11,500, Albany, Oregon. A solid example of American muscle, this 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 XL coupe brings a retro flair with its original white paint and clean interior. Powered by a 352 Interceptor V8 engine and automatic transmission, this classic shows only 82,000 miles, stored carefully for nearly 3 decades. Rust-free and featuring original wheels and hubcaps, this Galaxy is in great shape overall. The small oil leak from the intake manifold is a minor flaw in an otherwise excellent daily driver. With its wide, comfortable seats and spacious cabin, the Galaxy embodies the style and grace of mid-1960s American cars. Four, 1964 Volkswagen Beetle, $13,000, Nampa, Idaho. This 1964 Volkswagen Beetle, restored to pristine condition, embodies the charm of VW's iconic Bug. With a recently overhauled engine and bright red finish, this Beetle has been updated to a 12-volt system for improved reliability. Known for its simplicity and durability, the Beetle's manual transmission and rear-wheel drive make it an engaging drive. This model has become a sought-after classic, and with a condition like this, it's ready to bring its next owner the nostalgic pleasure of cruising in a vintage VW. Ah, 1958 Ford Thunderbird Resto Mod, $13,000, Santa Rosa, California. This 1958 Ford Thunderbird Resto Mod is a bold black classic featuring a 4.6-liter engine paired with a 4-speed transmission. Enhanced with modern upgrades such as ceramic headers, a full custom exhaust, and Flowmaster mufflers, this Thunderbird offers both power and a distinctive sound. Although the interior and paint could use a touch-up, the solid mechanicals and recent upgrades, including new brakes, fuel tank, and carpet, make it a reliable choice for enthusiasts. Known for its distinctive styling and comfort, the Thunderbird is a mid-century marvel that's well suited for today's roads. (1963) Dodge Dart, $14,400, Greenfield, Hales Corners, Wisconsin. The 1963 Dodge Dart is a potent classic with a fresh 408 stroker engine and Street Fighter transmission, both new with under 200 miles. This vehicle is ready for speed, boasting a powerful V8 engine and automatic transmission, along with a rust-free body that adds to its appeal. Known for its durability and straightforward engineering, the Dodge Dart has a loyal following among classic car fans. This Dart offers a fast, exhilarating drive that would make a unique addition to any collection. (7) 1963 Ford Galaxy 500 XL, $14,900, Greensburg, Indiana. Finished in a striking red with a white hardtop, this 1963 Ford Galaxy 500 XL captures the elegance and performance of 1960s American cars. Powered by a 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it offers both power and a smooth ride. The car has mostly original paint and has been updated with a new interior, including seats, carpet, and door panels. This Galaxy, with its 44,000 miles, presents an attractive option for those seeking an authentic classic car experience with some modern touches. (8) 1969 Pontiac Catalina, $10,000, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This 1969 Pontiac Catalina, in excellent mechanical shape, boasts a 400 cubic inch engine with a 2-barrel carburetor and a 400 transmission. Recent updates include new motor mounts, belts, radiator, and air conditioning. It's a powerful cruiser with a solid frame and no rust. While the soft top needs replacing and minor flaws are present, the Catalina's size, comfort, and power make it a standout summer ride. It's a great candidate for a classic restoration project, especially for Pontiac enthusiasts. (9) 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, $16,500, Newton, Massachusetts. This 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu comes equipped with a robust 350 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering a powerful drive in a vintage package. The car's paint has some minor bubbling, and it features a fiberglass hood with pins. Originally equipped with air conditioning, this Chevelle represents the peak of American muscle car performance and style, well suited for anyone looking to drive a classic with high energy and style. 10. 1964 Oldsmobile F85 convertible, $18,000, Annapolis, Maryland. This 1964 Oldsmobile F85 convertible combines classic style with recent upgrades, including a new top, motor, exhaust, tires, and interior. The powerful V8 engine has been rebuilt with less than 500 miles on it, ensuring strong performance. While the red paint has some wear, this convertible's condition and smooth automatic transmission make it a great option for cruising. The F85 is an attractive choice for those wanting the comfort and appeal of an American convertible from the 1960s.